the generational sandwich in the perspective of the Bible. Embracing the generational sandwich.
Wisdom.
Love.
Unity. The generational sandwich refers to a group of individuals who experience the pressures and responsibilities of two different generations. The generation of their parents above them and the generation of their children below them. In the Bible, intergenerational relationships are highly valued. Psalm 78:2 states, "We will not hide these truths from our children. We will tell the next generation about the glorious deeds of the Lord, about His power and His mighty wonders." This verse emphasizes the importance of passing down faith values and knowledge about God to the younger generation. Parents in the generational sandwich have the responsibility of being pioneers in teaching faith to their children. Romans 15:4 says, "For everything that was written in the past was written to teach us, so that through the endurance taught in the Scriptures and the encouragement they provide, we might have hope." In the context of the generational sandwich, grandparents play the role of family historians and life mentors. They share past experiences and offer wise advice to their children and grandchildren. However, it's unavoidable that in the generational sandwich, there may be differences of opinion and conflicts, but Ephesians 4:2 reminds us to live with humility, gentleness, and patience, loving one another with love. We should remember that the Bible teaches love and forgiveness as ways to overcome differences and foster harmony among generations. At the end of this narrative, let us pray together as a family, embracing generational differences and learning from one another. Let us continue our journey of faith together, witnessing the wonders and power of God in our lives.